Welcome back, guys. In this lecture, I will share with you all the important resources that you must keep handy when you're working with Microsoft Fabric, all the important pages, tutorials, and documentation. So, this one, the app.fabric.microsoft.com, is the homepage of Microsoft Fabric. It has all the experiences over here that you can go to Power BI, Data Factory, Data Science, etc. You can reach all of these experiences from here as well. It also has an option to look at your settings of Fabric, go to your account, and of course, search the help and support options. The next one that is in my list is the Microsoft Fabric blog. It keeps you up to date with the latest updates in Microsoft Fabric and also have some important announcements surrounding Fabric and some really exciting stuff. There are different categories by which you can view the articles, such as community, data activator, data science, one lake, and by date when was the last update sent. So all of this is important, keeps you up to date with Microsoft Fabric. The next one is the Microsoft Fabric community. Yes, whether you are a new to data or an experienced data expert, the Fabric community is the right place for you to ask questions, provide solutions, and build your knowledge. So you can register for this community separately, then sign in, and then there are different places that you can go to the Fabric community, the news and announcements. You can get help with Power BI desktop service, report server, etc. All of this Power Platform integrations, training and consulting. All of these options are here. The galleries, the themes, the showcases, the video galleries, events, ideas, upcoming events. It's a lot that you can go to over here from this community. Well, not just that. If you explore this page towards the bottom, there are a lot of things that you can do. There are separate communities on Power BI, Synapse, Data Factory, and Data Activator. There are Fabric user groups that you might want to be a part of. There is Azure Data Community, and then there are other Microsoft communities like Tech Community, Humans of IT, Dynamics 365, Power Platform, etc. So all of this is available for you. You can ask questions or give solutions and be up to date with what others are doing on Fabric. Another important place to go here is the github.com Microsoft and Fabric readiness. It will give you good details of the this repo's design to enable communities interested in topics and concepts related to Fabric. It currently provides a collection of presentations that are intended to be reused in groups, online presentations, conferences, and conversations. It contains some really important stuff that you might want to go, and go through before you start working with Fabric, because it gives you a good startup. It gives good description about introducing unified analytics, data engineering, data science, data warehousing. All of this is available over here, so you might want to, let's say, preview data engineering with Microsoft Synapse online, and this will give you a good PPT to explore, which you can do it at your perusal. So you see, this is the whole uh, PPT that's provided to you by Microsoft, and it gives you good information of what to find under data engineering in Synapse. So good, very nicely done. Again, there is this website which is a webinar series and it introduces you to Microsoft Fabric. To watch this webinar, you have to just fill in certain details, and once you do that, uh, you will, go ahead and reach this place where you will find these webinars. You have to just sign up and watch these webinars. Then you go to ideas.fabric.microsoft.com. Here you can submit ideas to improve Fabric. You can see if what is the status of your ideas, and if others are having certain ideas and you might want to bookmark those and see, hey, this is something that as well I would like to have in Fabric. Also with the announcements, what's new with Fabric ideas. So if you scroll down a bit more, you will find certain ideas that are having votes. So you can upvote it. Let's say I upvote it. I might have to just first sign in, but I'll go back and I'll show you what do I mean. So there are certain ideas that people can vote, and the highest votes would get in the production. Not just that, the administrator responses it. So there is this new idea that is being requested by Amanda Rivera. It says, add expand collapse feature to column headers. Now, administrator says that this is an expensive item, which is why it has not been picked yet. So it will be revisited. Now, page tab level security is another idea that people are asking for. Option to use either light or dark interface. Awesome. Add folders to organize reports on Power BI. And administrator says that this is in our upcoming roadmap. And awesome, pretty good. So yeah, a lot of ideas, and you might want to submit your own idea. Then click on submit an idea. You have to first sign in, and then add all the details, the platform that you're looking to submit the idea for, more details, maybe give some screenshots of what you want, and that's it. So this is a good place to improve the product with the help of Microsoft, and help them improve this product so that you can use it better. Further, I want you to bookmark this and as well go through it. Microsoft.com, Microsoft Fabric product page. It introduces Fabric to you. It tells you that, hey, you can bring your data into the era of AI, and you can get more information, that how to sign up for a trial, get an overview, click here to try for free, get more detail about Fabric, what all it can do, and get some more insights about the overview, the one lake synapse, cost management, AI powered capabilities. Amazing. So again, you can as well get more details about purchasing additional capacity. You can get all of these details, and you can get some testimonials, right? How organizations are using Fabric. So Ferguson is using, T-Mobile is using, Pension Denmark is using, and then learn more about Fabric, the implementation guide, the Forrester report, the webinars, the Fabric news, and there are some FAQs around Fabric. That what is it, how do I sign up, how do I purchase, etc. So all of these details are over here in this product page. Then there is this beautiful place where you can have a look at the entire launch event, the Microsoft Fabric launch event that happened on May 24, 25. And you can have a look at the entire thing. So whatever happened on the day one, who all spoke, what were the topics, all of this you can find out. Beautiful. All of this is over here. There are some more resources that you might want to use as well. And this is good. So this is a good place. And all you have to do is click on start watching to watch this webinar. This will take you to the YouTube channel where the webinar is there. Now, Fabric Notes is another place that the engineering team has created. So these are simple drawings illustrating the main concepts of Fabric to empower anyone to build stuff on Fabric, right? So this is pretty good. So if you want to understand what is Microsoft Fabric, just click over here and it will open up an image. This is an image. This is an image, and it will open up in a new page. And it tells you in a very friendly and easy to understand and interesting manner what is Fabric. So this is a combination of real-time analytics, warehouse BI, data science, data integration, and it's a beautifully made caricature. Of course, there is, if you want to know more, what are the 4 ways to learn Fabric? So what are the 4 ways? Webinar series, official documentation, community, and learn by doing. There are links. All Fabric icons, if you want to look at all the Fabric icons, the experiences icons, the different items icons, you can just click on, just get this link, and all of these Fabric icons are available in the SVG format that are scalable, easy to reuse in PowerPoint, etc. That's why they are all in SVG. And then there are more notes coming soon. But yeah, this is quite interesting. I've never seen something like this before for any other product, either from Google or from Microsoft. But this is new and definitely very, very interesting. What next is something very important, the Microsoft Fabric documentation. That contains everything, the overview, how to get started, the concepts, the tutorials, the quick starts. For every different experience, there is a completely different page for Power BI, for OneLake, for Data Factory. And then there are some more important topics like admin and governance, developer experience, troubleshooting, training modules, and then there are related products. So this documentation will be very helpful. Let's say you want to understand Microsoft Fabric licenses, you can simply click on this, and this will take you on the Microsoft Fabric components and the licenses. So all of these are the licenses, the capacity license, the user capabilities, whether Fabric supports that or not. What is Microsoft Fabric license type? That is organizational. You have PPU, you have capacity, you have capacities and SKUs, you have individual licenses, you have a pro license, and then you have steps of how to buy a Microsoft Fabric subscription. So these are some details that you might want to know, and Microsoft has documented this very well. So documentation is definitely the first place you might want to go. If you have any questions, if you're stuck somewhere, documentation is very thorough. I have gone through it, very nicely done, amazingly made, and contains a lot of things very well created. And even though the tutorials are there, they are also very well made. So you might want to look at those as well. Further, we have a Microsoft Fabric guided tour. Amazing. So this is another very interesting thing. So you might want to click on these points, and it tells you what are the different steps to do. So first step is unify your data, create fit for purpose models, etc. And then step two, all of that. So go here and then you click on Power BI. So you see every step that I'm taking, it's asking me to, click further, and it tells you different steps one by one. So I'm currently on step 3 of 8, and I click on data flow Gen AI, and then I choose the data source, and then I click submit, and then I choose Azure Data Lake. So all of this is step by step, and you can open up another page, app.fabric.microsoft, and keep doing this in parallel. So while you are learning from the guided tour, you can get it obviously doing practical in a separate tab. Very amazingly done. This is a pretty good guided tour. I'm telling you, this will give you a good heads up if if somebody is very new to Fabric or any of the Microsoft products and they want to understand how it works. Tutorials are one way and guided tour is another. So go ahead, have a look, and see what you have got here in store. And last but not the least, there is the Microsoft Fabric support portal. It first of all tells you the status dashboard. In all of these regions, what is the status of Power BI? Is it running? If there is an outage. So if there is an outage, you have this kind of red cross if there is any outage in any of these areas on any of these experiences. But basically it says here the main status that Fabric is running smoothly. There are no awareness messages, or if there are any current known issues that you must be aware of. So it this opens up a beautiful report, and it tells that hey, all of these issues are active. So there are certain issues that were active, and then there were certain issues that were active but are fixed. So suppose you might want to look at Power BI, what are the active issues. So there the export to CSV file gets truncated at 300 rows. When you export something, it's truncated. This issue is active. And then there are certain issues that were fixed, right? Deployment pipeline stuck in loading, uh, workspace setting, large dataset storage format isn't persistent. All of these are fixed. So this is a good place to go to Fabric's current status, if there are any outages, what are the known issues, what is the status of those issues. You will find all of that, and then below there are certain learning resources, documentation, guided learning, community. You might want to create a support request that you can do as well from here. So you can create those support requests, and then there are certain more additional resources. There are admin supports, You have suggestions to improve Fabric. You submit an idea over here. There is a cloud support that you can choose. And obviously, let me also tell you that, hey, if you have any questions under Power BI, you click on Get Support, and this will open up a place where you raise a new support ticket. So I do not have subscribed to Power BI Pro, so right now I cannot, but if I have, I definitely can. So I let's try if I can raise a support ticket over here. Oh yes, I can in the Synapse Data Science. So you first describe the issue. You might also want to use the AI chatbot and ask the virtual agent. Uh, and then eventually, once you enter your issues, and then you can move to different tabs like solutions, support, and then contact. You can do all of that, so you can enter anything over here. Let's say Power BI CSV download is something that you have an issue with, and then you wait for this thing to come in. Once this loads, you might want to look at the different URLs, which will be probably like, community forum solutions or some blog posts that can help you. Or if nothing, then you can create that ticket by providing relevant information. Awesome. I think we have covered all of these important resources that you must keep handy. Bookmark all of them, create a folder in Chrome or Edge, and put up all of these bookmarked URLs there so that you can reach them wherever you want to, whenever you want to. Most importantly, all of these links will be provided in the resources section, so you don't have to type them explicitly. You can simply click them, it will open up in a new tab in your browser, and you can then bookmark from there. I'm sure all of these resources will be very helpful for you to get started with Fabric. I myself personally found them very, very good, helpful, and intuitive, easy to use and access. I'm sure you would too. If you have any problems accessing any of these, put me up a comment or send up a message, and I'll be more than happy to help. But I'm quite sure these are some things that you'll be yourself find very easy to navigate in and learn from. Awesome. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next lecture.